Most people think they are broke because they earn too little, but that's rarely the full story. Money quietly slips away every day, often without us even noticing. It could be for various reasons, but mostly it's the daily snacks or coffees, online purchases. We also do those impulse buys we don't plan for, such that by the end of the month, you check your account and ask yourself, where did my salary go? The first step toward financial freedom is simple. Track your spending. Write down every purchase for a month, no matter how small. You'll start to notice patterns like how small daily expenses add up to hundreds. Even just knowing where your money is going gives you control over it. It's surprising how much awareness can change your habits. Have you ever tracked your spending before? If not, today is a perfect day to start. Here's the truth that surprises many. Your financial life is more about habits than income. I've seen two people earn exactly the same salary. One planned carefully, saved a little, and invested in small opportunities. The other spent everything as it came. 5 years later, the first person had a small investment property. The other was still struggling month to month. Even a modest salary can create stability and growth if you have the right habits. Conversely, a high salary doesn't guarantee financial freedom without discipline. So most of us aren't taught how to manage money, right? We spend years learning school subjects, but budgeting, saving, and avoiding debt are rarely part of the curriculum. Do you think money management should be taught in schools? So imagine if it was. Would fewer people struggle financially? Let's talk about a practical tip that can save you money. It's called the 24-hour rule. Before buying something that isn't a necessity, wait 24 hours. Most impulse purchases lose their power when you pause. I worked with a client who bought clothes online. She bought those clothes online weekly. After trying this rule, she realized she didn't need even half of what she was buying. That small habit saved her over 2,000 rands a month. Tracking your spending and pausing before purchases are small actions, but they protect your finances tomorrow. Think about the last thing that you bought and you later regretted. Share it in the comments. I want us to learn from each other's experiences. Let's get real. Which expense puts the most pressure on your finances? Is it A, groceries, B, transport, school fees, or unexpected emergencies? Every household feels pressure somehow. The key is to identify it and plan. For example, if groceries stress you, make a meal plan and a shopping list. If emergencies worry you, start a small emergency fund. Small steps make a very big difference. Remember, managing your money isn't about how much you earn. It's about the habits you build today. Start tracking your spending. Use the 24-hour rule. Focus on consistent money habits. Small actions today lead to financial freedom tomorrow. What's one habit you can start today that will make a difference a month from now? Comment below. I want to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's take control of our money together.